Hello guys. I'm creating on my channel art for YouTube, and right now somebody's outside right now and it's scaring me, all right? So I'm just gonna wait right here. Okay, so somebody's knocking on the door, right, probably there or probably over here. Yeah. That door right there. And somebody's knocking on the door right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's my mom. She's up taking a shower right now, but everything's gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna stay focused on my. Just gonna stay focused on doing my channel art. All right. All right. Let's see. All right. No wait. I gotta go to. I'm gonna go to. Oh, I know. I think I know where to go to channel art. Okay, so I'm creating my channel art right now, and it'll be coming out real soon. I'm working on it. It's a big process, and it'll be really good. All right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna change it to white. Whenever you guys feel like wanting to see the behind the scenes, I'll just let you know. And somebody is working on this, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of cheat codes. All right. All right. I already did draw it. Okay. Oh, I have to go there, and your own, and okay. Now I know what to do. All right. Apply, draw, apply. All right, my own. Open my texture. So, yep. All right. Oh my gosh, my channel art looks like a masterpiece. All right, so yeah, it's really good process. Well, it's a progress. I'm sorry, it's just messing up words, you know. All right, so I already did that. Thank you. Okay. And um, wow, that looks perfect. All right, now I got a picture right here. All right, apply my own. All right, I've, I'll just delete that. So I'll just keep that, and I could do some stuff with it. All right, guys, make sure you stay tuned for part two, and make sure you check out this.